What class. Look at this 1960 Cadillac. Can you imagine this thing? Well, you don't have to imagine it. It's right here. Absolutely stunning. Claimed it was a two-owner California car. I do have a bunch of documentation, restoration receipts. It was restored back in the 90s, but not many miles have been put on it since. And I tell you what, condition is everything when you buy a car like this. Restoring a Camaro or Mustang is nothing compared to restoring a Cadillac. But this one's in really outstanding shape. That's why I bought the car. It's loaded up too, air conditioned, power windows, the air shocks in the back. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or scan the QR code and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And yeah, it does spin in here. It's pretty tight though. There's a, a big hunk of iron. Look at this hood. And it's absolutely straight. The contours, the quality, looking down that football field of a side panel, it is absolutely straight, smooth, outstanding. I recognize the quality. That's really what attracted me to this car. Look at the gaps. They're spot on the money. Not a bubble or pimple down there at all. Doors open and they shut beautifully. Boy, solid. Quarter panels, even all the way down at the bottom, smooth, clean. Look at the nice tail fins, nice pointy, cool looking fins. The big giant trunk lid as straight as the rest of the car. All the lines and gaps are just the way they should be. Look at the curves. Look at all the way down at the bottom. Absolutely beautiful. Fender skirt fits real nice. Look at all these lines. All of it's outstanding. Here's a chip in the paint on the edge. That's when they made cars. Repainted its original platinum gray color. It has nice metal flake. That's all laid out evenly. The roof is white and the entire car is gloss and polished, smooth like a piece of glass. The chrome is exceptionally nice. You have the turn signal indicators up here on the spears and all the trim, the bumpers, the bullets, the grille, everything is really nice. And that's, again, that's where the money comes in. All this chrome and trim. The antenna was rebuilt. Power antenna works. Little Cadillac emblem there. All the wheel well moldings are polished. The side moldings were polished. All the glass is real nice and clear. All the trim, stainless, all shiny, straight. Rubber gaskets are real good. Has the vent windows up there that open. This window here is fixed in place. All the glass is original and looks to be in really nice shape. The chrome back here, except for a couple of handprints, beautiful shape. The panel, all real nice. Let's see, how do we open that? There we go. This is not pitted, spring loaded. All of this is just beautiful. Look at these lights. Isn't that cool how they're just set in there like that? Here's a couple little dents in the trim right here. That's really all I see in all of the chrome in the trim. Beautiful. Hubcaps are polished. They're gleaming with some reproduction. BF Goodrich Silvertown Whitewall tires. Some big tires on there. All right, let's open it up, continue our tour. Again, this is an exceptionally clean car. Now that you're up close, look at that finish on the paint. Again, all the trim is straight and shiny and everything fits so nice. This is a quality piece. Now under the trunk lid's real nicely painted. It has a working light. The jam is clean. The weather strip is replaced. Of course, inside here is just ginormous. Look at the size of the spare, and it barely takes up any room. So it does have the spare and the whole jack assembly, complete liner, all looking real nice. And yeah, it barely fits in here. If you buy this, you better measure your garage. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click the bell icon so you're notified when new videos are posted. All the jams are nice and clean. The weather strips look good. Door panels look to be in excellent shape. The armrests are real nice. All the chrome is real nice, not pitted. Let me sit back here. Oh, is this nice? Now, the gray cloth is in really excellent shape. Got the nice armrest, you got the buttons, and then the white is actual genuine soft leather in excellent condition. And you got white floor mats, Cadillac floor mats on the floor. The gray carpet looks to be in real nice shape. Check out the cigarette lighters here. You got some handles. This is wrapped in leather. Very nice. Same thing up front. Clean door jambs, clean doors. The chrome is sparkling. I've seen cars, Cadillacs, with the interior chrome all pitted and garbage. This is all real nice. The dash pad's a big deal on these cars. I have a 59 Cadillac. We've had about 4 months. The dash is sent out to be redone. Still waiting for it. This one's in excellent shape. It's not a plastic glue-on cap. It's not something that somebody reupholstered. This is in excellent condition. You got power windows. Look at, again, all the chrome, the bezels. Look how it's all sparkling. 62,800 miles. When it was restored, it was in the low 50s. So it was about 10,000 miles on the restoration. Quartz movement in the clock. The car is very functional. Like I said, the power antenna works. The signal seeking radio works. Has a automatic headlight dimmer. Honestly, I don't know if I tried that or if the shop tried it. I'm not sure. All nice and clean. Look at that. Big giant ashtrays back then. Here's the power window. Here's the air conditioning vent. Nice white floor mats. Carpet's good. Not new, but good. The seat also, although it's excellent, not worn, there's a couple mild stains on the front seat. And the leather is soft leather. Power seat. And I noticed in the receipts that the seat frames were even painted. Headliners in really nice shape. All the trim up there is real nice. The light works. Headliner, visors look to be excellent. It's got the vanity mirror, day and night mirror. Steering wheels in beautiful shape. Look at the chrome. And this has cruise control as well. And it's an aftermarket air ride right there. Just in back, it has air shocks. You load of people or you fill up the trunk. You can pump some more air in it. So here we go, 390 motor. I think that's about 330 horsepower. And again, look how clean and proper. Cloth wrapped wires, the correct air cleaner, the fuel pump, fuel filter. The air conditioning has been charged. It should be all working. This factory air. The wires are in the proper holders, the vacuum cans. Everything is clean and proper. The original finish on the hinges. Smooth, clean metal everywhere you look. It's a rust-free car. The Harrison radiator, the right shroud, the rubber flap is here. Got the bright horns. We got power steering. There's the cruise control. Windshield washers, power brakes. And under the hood has the insulation. This looks to be original, just nice, clean, solid from the factory. That's the original paint on the firewall there. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. This Cadillac is a dream come true. So gorgeous. It's just such good condition, functionality-wise. The way the doors close, the way the seat feels. I'm just absolutely in love with this thing. It's sitting there at idle, and you can't even hear it running. Just floating over all these cracks and bumps in the road. Got that classic Cadillac, big car ride quality to it that I absolutely do love. Nice smooth brake pedal there, literally one finger power steering here. Some of the easiest power steering that I've ever encountered on a car. Let's see what she's got. 390 under the hood, 4-speed automatic. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. It has a lot of power. I was barely in the gas pedal, and it's just fantastic. Smooth, clear across the power band there. Nice and quiet, but you can feel the pull, which I really love about this car. Just an easy one to operate, an easy one to enjoy. Everything about it's exceptional. Come down, test drive it for yourself if you don't take my word for it. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
You think now's a good time to invest in silver? I do. Big giant car. Underneath is just really clean, well preserved. I seen in the receipts that they steam cleaned the underneath and painted it at the time of restoration. So it's original floors. They have original undercoat. Cadillac undercoated their cars, more of a sound deadener than anything. We inspected and serviced the car. We serviced the brakes, the front end alignment, new shocks, I think, in the back, the air shocks. So the car is turnkey, very drivable. Again, rock solid underneath. The transmission is a 4-speed Hydra-matic transmission. And again, clean front to back, dual exhaust. Just look at this car. I think it's a great value, and it's all in the condition. You can buy one of these that needs a lot of work, and you can spend 5 times what I'm asking for this one. Go to volocars.com. Sales will help answer your questions, including how to get this to your garage, which you better measure, and can help with financing, insurance, all of that too. Thanks for watching.